everybody, Chris McMillan here, and on top of interviews and other content I make, I also teach whatever it is in my how-to section. If I learn how to do it, I'll try to make a video on it and teach you how to do it. So today I'm replacing an air filter in a 2017 Nissan Sentra. Woohoo! So that might be of value to some people. If not, doesn't apply to you, then don't watch the video. So it was fairly easy, very easy in fact. The mechanic, the garage, when I got my oil changed, they said, well, you need an air filter, we'll do it for 40 bucks. So I went to AutoZone. Well, I took the air filter out, took the old filter to AutoZone, and they charged me $16 for a new one. And the actual replacing of it was a piece of cake, something that I can do, and I have no mechanical skills whatsoever. So I'll show you how I did it very quickly. First part is you remove this bit, and it just snaps out. Now my piece was broken. I think former mechanics may have done that, but this piece comes out, and it literally, there's a few clips here and there, and this piece kind of comes out, and look at that. It snaps right out. Now, in here's where your air filter is, okay? This piece here, it's got two metal clips. You just undo it, and this piece slides right out. And there's my new air filter. And you literally just take it out. I'll show you. Here was my old one that needed replacing. So I bought the new one, and it's got two sides. There's only one way it can really fit in. It slides in along like that. And it's impossible to get this mixed up because the clips can only go in one place. So it's right behind the battery. This literally just slips right in there, and it just fits. There's a few grooves. That snaps. That snaps. Okay, so that's snapped on. And then I don't know what this piece is called, but it goes right back in there. This little round bit here is the key to getting it on properly, because that's one thing I was stumped on earlier. And in theory, it should snap right there. My snap is broken, but because of the other parts, it pretty much holds itself in. And that's it. That's how you replace your air filter.